Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to animate the logo. Okay. So the question is, what do we want to do with this logo? Okay. So we're going to click on this little drop down menu here, and we're going to click here, and we'll click on opacity. And what we're doing here is we're creating a keyframe, and I'm going to set the opacity to 0, and the logo will disappear. And I want it to slowly appear over 10 seconds. So we're going to go to the 10-second mark, and then we'll set this to 100%. And really, instead of 10 seconds, let's do like 3 seconds. Okay, so right here, when I get to 3 seconds and 0 frames, we're going to set the opacity to 100%. Okay, and now when I go to the beginning, there you go. Now, let's hit home and hit play. So I'm going to hit spacebar. Okay. It's a little slow, so let's do 2 seconds. And really the point of this is I want it to be a quick animation. Okay. There you go. Okay, so it's a fast animation. So what I want it to do is when we hit play, I want it to change the opacity from 0 to 100% and then appear for a few seconds. And then here we start fading away. Okay, so we have the timer check still. So now we can change it to 0. Okay, and what that's going to do is create another keyframe. Okay, so if I hit home and we hit play, LearnTech Plus. Okay, so I can read it right there. I don't need much time, and then we can. Now that may be too fast. Let's try it. There you go. So let's give it a little more time. I'll drag it out to 4 seconds just to give it a little more time. Okay, so let's do it a little bit longer. We'll do 6 seconds, okay? And the real reason for that is this is going to be, I'm building an intro video for my logo, right? So when people watch this, I want them to see the logo. I want it to do a quick animation in 0% opacity to 100%, and then I want it to slowly fade away and then transition into the next scene or the next sequence, the next video, whatever you want to call it. I call it the next scene, but it's going to be telling a story. This is the beginning. Welcome. That's basically what it's saying. So let's try it. Okay. So when we come in, it's a second. We should have maybe 2 or 3 seconds of visualization, right? And then cut out. So maybe at 4 seconds we'll cut out. So click on that keyframe, bring it over, and it should be a smoother transition now. So let's take a look. There you go. All right, so if I click here and drag, we're going to set the timeline to right on the nose, 4 seconds. The reason for that is that way when we render, this will not take that long to do. So let's click and drag both of these and line them up so it's a 4-second video. Okay, so I'm going to hit home. Thank you so much for watching. And let's hit play just to make sure it works. Beautiful. And if I just scrub to the end just to see it, yep, there you go. All right, that's how you animate the logo. Let's hit Command S just to make sure we saved. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.